G'day there everyone, Daniel Anderson here. Now it seems that we all need a little bit of assistance to understand and work out where our files are located in Microsoft Teams and the companion SharePoint site that lives behind Microsoft Teams, and also when we're sharing files in one-to-one chats and also group chats. So that's the focus of this video. Let's get stuck into it. But before we do that, I have just created a little infographic and also a companion video to help you answer the question of where your files live. So quite often I ask people where their files are located or where they live, and then the response is generally Microsoft Teams. Well, actually, they're stored in the SharePoint site behind the scenes or the companion SharePoint site. So that's the reason I've created an infographic for you. Nice, easy explanation, and also a companion video to explain that process and where things are. So if you head over to danielanderson.io/where are my files, pop your email address in and I'll deliver that little package for you, infographic and video, direct to your inbox. Okay, let's get on to the video. Now you can see here that Alex is in a one-to-one chat with Megan. Now Alex has shared 2 files already with Megan. So down in near the message box down here, we've got our little paperclip icon. Now when we click this, we've got 2 options that present to us. We've got attach cloud files or we've got upload from this device. So these 2 here have already been done with upload from this device. So let's go through and have a look at that process. So we've clicked that. Now we can browse and we can find a document. We're going to open that document. It's going to add that to our message, and then we can then post that. Okay, so let's go and give a little message to Megan as well, and we'll post that. So now we've shared 3 files in this conversation, in this one-to-one chat with Megan. Now we can see here it is, you've shared the employee engagement plan.docx with Megan. Now where are these files, right? So remembering back, we've got a files tab inside of our teams and our channels. Now we've got a companion SharePoint site where those files are actually located. Every single channel has a files tab. Every single channel has a folder in that companion SharePoint site's document library. Now you can see that I've also got a files tab inside this one-to-one chat. Now here I've got 2 documents, and the other one will appear there shortly as well, where we've shared these files in this one-to-one chat. But where do they actually live? Because we're not in the context of a team. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to jump over to Alex's OneDrive for Business. So I'm going to go to My Files. Now inside of My Files, we've got a special folder. Now everybody's got one of these, and it's called Microsoft Teams Chat Files. Now here are where those files that you upload or you share to a conversation, a one-to-one chat, or even a group chat, this is where the files live, in the person who uploaded or shared the file inside of their OneDrive, inside this special folder called Microsoft Teams Chat Files. And you can see there's our 3 documents that we have shared inside that one-to-one chat. Now you'll also notice here that when I go to Files, we can actually upload a file directly from this Files tab. Now I can click on Upload, and again I'll upload from this device. Now what's going to happen here is that file is automatically, once it's uploaded, automatically going to add to that chat. Okay, so if I now click back into chat, you can see that there's that document now has already been posted into that chat. And again, I'll jump back into our Teams chat files in our OneDrive. Now that document there it is, and you can see that has been uploaded into that special folder, Microsoft Teams Chat Files. And you can see the activity, you can see that I've shared it with Megan, and these other ones here have also automatically been shared with Megan. We jump back into the Files tab, there are our files, all right? So while we're in the context of a team and a channel, those files are located inside of the companion SharePoint site. When we're in the context of a one-to-one chat or even a group chat, then the files are located in the OneDrive for Business of the person that actually shared that file. Okay, so I hope that brings you some value today. Knowing where your files are located is really, really important. But before we go, I want to outline a little gotcha here. Now, we have two options. I've got upload from this device and I've got attach cloud files. So when I attach cloud files, you can see here that I'm presented with a little bit of a different dialog box, and I can browse my OneDrive. So I'm going to say, let's go for marketing term successes, and I'm going to select this and I'm going to attach that to this particular conversation, and we'll post that. Now, it's a little bit different. We're not uploading from this device, okay? You can see I've shared the marketing team success, and there it is here. You can see this location though. So this file, because I've used this other option of attach cloud files, has actually stayed where it is. So we're not uploading it, we're just sharing that particular file. So if I go to marketing term successes in Alex's OneDrive, I'll just refresh this page just so that we can have a look. Now you'll notice here that it's not part of the Microsoft Teams chat files. But if I go back to my files and I can see this is the document here, you can see that I've shared that document with Megan just now. All right, so it hasn't moved it hasn't changed the location or created another copy. It's just shared that document from its original location, and it doesn't get added to our folder called Microsoft Teams chat files. Now, I'm going to jump back into here. Now, where it can get a little bit tricky here is, let's say that you've got your OneDrive for Business synchronized to your computer. Now, what I see a lot of is that we go attach files, we go upload from this device, and we select our OneDrive for Business here, and then we upload a document from your OneDrive. You're thinking you're uploading it correctly in your OneDrive, but what you're actually doing here is that if I select let's go for this document here, I'll select this and I'll open this document. Now what this is going to do is actually upload a copy of that document into that folder called Microsoft Teams chat files. Even though you've used your OneDrive for Business that you've synced from your computer, you've actually uploaded another copy. So let's have a look, and we'll just post this here. And so we've got Contoso purchasing permissions Q1, and you can see down the left hand we've shared this document. Now, let's have a look at what the behavior is there. So I'm going to refresh this. So I'm inside of this folder called Teams chat files. There's the file that I've just uploaded. So there's the copy of it. But what happens is that we also have a copy, and the original copy in that location, because what we've done is we've actually used this option to upload from this device. We've browsed to our OneDrive for Business, right? But we've uploaded a copy of that document. We haven't actually linked to that document. So if your documents do reside in OneDrive for Business and you want to share that in a chat, use this attach cloud files option, and that way you're only always having that single copy, and you're not having an uploaded copy in two different locations, one in the original and one in the Microsoft Teams chat files. So that's it for this video. I hope that brings you some value and clears a few things up for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next episode.